Collectors, buckle up. We are taking 4 heavy hitters in one drop, all part of the initial D 30th anniversary lineup. Let's break down why this release is pure collector gold. First up, the one we have all been waiting for, the Fujiwara Tofu Shop diorama. Tomica Unlimited very first diorama, and they have gone all in. Main building, road section, railing, tree, fence, and yes, Bunta Fujiwara himself, arms crossed. Over the years, we have seen many replicas on Taobao and third-party versions floating around, but this is the real deal from Takara Tomy. Assembly, snap fit easy, no rocket science here. And the lighting, 2 switches, one for the shop interior and one for the second floor room, glowing red or green. This is Takara Tomy's first official Fujiwara Tofu shop, and its recommended price is 5,280 yen in Japan. This set also requires 3 AA batteries for the lights. In the initial D storyline, Keisuke begins as one of Takumi's fierce rival, but later becomes a trusted ally in Project D. His aggressive driving style in the manga made him a standout on the mountain passes, and this model captures that energy perfectly. And now, the RedSuns Yellow FD RX-7, Keisuke Takahashi weapons of choice. This casting features retractable headlights, and also branded with the RedSuns logo. The casting comes with a collector display base with the manga artwork in the metal plate, and is protected by a clear case. It even includes the steering wheel, which is unknown in scale, and gear shift assembly for the extra detail. If you are RedSuns and RX-7 fan, this is a must-have with the recommended retail price at 4,730 yen. Next, the hero car, the legend, Takumi Fujiwara AE86, the Panda Trueno. This set is loaded with collector touches. For the casting, it features the retractable headlights, the iconic black and white panda color scheme, and also the Fujiwara Tofu shop sign. Just like the RX-7, it comes with a collector display base, with a metal plate featuring the manga artwork. The dashboard interior model is a very nice addition, although the scale is unknown. It includes Takumi's most famous training prop, the iconic water cup. In the manga and anime, Takumi practices his downhill tofu runs in Gunma with a full cup of water in the cup holder, driving so smoothly that it never spills. This set lets you recreate the exact scene. Assembly is super straightforward. You need to just install the steering wheel, attach the gear shift lever, place the cup holder with the water cup inside. Everything about this AE86 screams nostalgia. It's built to let fans relive the moments from over 30 years ago, with a very stunning display. Recommended retail price in Japan is same as the RX-7 at 4,730 yen. And finally, Koichiro Ikitani Nissan Silvia S13 from the Akina Speedstar. In the initial D storyline, everyone knows Ikitani isn't exactly the fastest driver on the mountain, and in fact he's often portrayed as being outclassed. But that's what makes his S13 memorable is the representation of the everyday street racer who still show up to the line. For the Tomica Unlimited version S13, it includes a detailed interior, Akina Speedstar hood logo faithfully reproduced from the manga, realistic exhaust, and also the opening doors. This December drop is massive for initial D fans and Tomica collectors. I always hear the same thing, why is always these few cars? In fact, the AE86 RX-7 are the one that bring in the big sales for Tomica. That's why they keep coming back. However, I wouldn't be surprised if Tomica starts rolling out more characters and machines from the manga. Imagine the Emperor Black Evo or Mako Blue Sylvia. Let me know which one is your pick, the AE86, the Yellow FD, the S13 or the Tofu Shop. Drop in the comments and smash the like button for more Tomica Unlimited breakdowns.